What's happening, guys? Hunter here. Welcome to the channel. We're here at a house today outside of Denver, about 20 minutes outside of downtown Denver. And I just wanted to bring you guys in and showcase some of the work that me and my team have done in the home. All the interior carpentry, and I've been working with this great builder, Vertex Homes, for about 2 years now. This home fortunately went on the market in 2 days. All cash offer, $20,000 less than what asking price was, right around 1.3. So super ecstatic for the builder, the investors, and the real estate agent designer who was in this project. I want to say special thanks to Brian and Ryan, two guys that worked with me. Little blood, sweat, and tears went into this place. So we went for a ranch home. We're on about 7,300 square feet of lot space. End result, we got about 4,000 square feet of finished space inside. Really added great additions. Let's go check it out. Walking up to the house here, you could tell all the lighting, big open windows. They kind of like to do their light fixtures a little crazy, a little bit more modern. And we're gonna go in and you're gonna see a lot of more of a modern look with cabinets and with the style of trim. Okay, so welcome in. As we first come in, you can tell big wide open theme. Really didn't get that with any of these ranch homes in the area. So we wanted to go for a really large open theme, kind of bringing you right into the kitchen, to the family room, to the dining room, kind of all as one big themed area. As we know, a lot of people do spend a lot of their time in the kitchen and the dining room. We've got just kind of like the little living room outside the kitchen. Pictures on the wall, they are mounted for an entertainment. So we did do somewhat of a floating entertainment center, and the builder wanted to kind of somehow die into the mantel as well. I think it's pretty unique. I do like the tile on this fireplace as well. It pretty much stands out, accents a little bit of the dark themes going on with the rail, which we're gonna see in a little bit. Coming over to the side, kind of a cool little cubby. We call it a drop zone. You're coming in from the back door, which we've got the garage out the back door. So we've got a lot of these homes have an alley. So there's just a 2-car garage out back, and we'll take a little step out another way to go to the back porch in just a little bit. But you're coming into through the garage and just got a little place to put your shoes, throw your stuff. It's your drop zone. You just kind of throw all your junk there and you walk in the house. So you come in, now it's onto the kitchen. All right, guys, one of the bigger attractions in this home was this butcher block countertop. It is white oak, 1.5 inches thick. Material came straight from Floor & Decor. There was kind of a special order, about 2 weeks, but Floor & Decor got the material for us. It came in 4 pieces to begin with, 24 inches wide, 8 feet long. My buddy Brian and I biscuit joined it, clamped it, sanded it, glued it, just went to town on it. And at the very end, a bunch of sanding, we got an awesome finish. A friend of ours stained it up, and also Floor & Decor provided a special finish poly that goes on the top. And we'll throw a little picture of that up here in the top corner. But that allows you to put food material on here, not having to worry about any of the wood or any of the stain getting into the food. We do have nice KitchenAid appliances. Quartz countertop here. One awesome thing that was kind of a headache to think about, but the builder did decide to do a bifold window here in the kitchen. So when you go out to the patio, it opens right up and you almost can have a patio party inside the home. We got some extra drop-offs from the countertop, so just thought it would be a unique idea to do 3 freestanding shelves over here with somewhat of an industrial piping look. Just something super easy, kind of a do-it-yourselfer. If you guys possibly want to see a video of how that can be done, throw a little comment down below. It's very, very simple. Come on, following me out of here, please check out the floor. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments about this floor as well. It's kind of been taken two different ways, blending into the tile to kind of separate the kitchen area from the formal walkway. But let me know what you guys think. Coming out of the kitchen, heading over here, this would be considered maybe the 5th bedroom, or it would be a 4-bedroom house. Oh, a moth. Coming into the office here, this could be considered the 5th bedroom, but in this case, it was really designed for it to be an office. So this house has 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms total. One really unique feature about this office, it does have an exterior door right from the front porch. So if you do have clients, if you do have work-related matter coming over, they don't necessarily need to walk in from the front door. You can kind of bring them in through the side, keep them away from the family, the kids, whatever else might be going on there. Got our first floor powder bathroom. Builder does like the look of these floating cabinets in a sense for the bathrooms. It's kind of a new look. Walking down the hallway here is coming into our really first bedroom here on the main floor. It's quite large. You might think it's like a master in a sense because you got a large bedroom, you got your clothes closet, you got a full walk-in bathroom, and you actually have a walkway straight out to the outside again. So really 2 ways to come out. We got the bifold window that opens up. Really cool theme here if you guys are thinking about kind of throwing a party. I thought that was a unique idea when they added the addition on the side of the house. Just kind of bringing the entire first floor together in a sense, other than the office. All right, guys, that was pretty much most of the first floor. Let's head on downstairs real quickly. Not a whole lot going on down here, but a nice full finished space since most of these ranches that were originally developed here in the 1950s didn't even have finished basements. It was more of a crawl space. So if you come on down, it is just one large open room. We do have a powder bath over here off to the side down here. Do have it set up for nice TV up on the wall. Got all our HVAC, everything in this closet, so nothing crazy to look at back there other than all the mechanicals. The other room has a sub pump. A lot of these homes here in Denver need sub pumps to constantly get all that water back up out from around the foundation. So make sure that's always got power. Make sure that's always running in your home. We got a really cool tongue and groove ceiling. Kind of runs all the way across, all the way down the side. Guys, that's material straight from Lowe's. We'll throw another little picture up here on the top corner, right up there. Boom. And it can be ordered straight from Lowe's. Super easy to install. That could be another possible video. Let me know what you guys think. Wet bar in the corner here. You really do whatever you want down here, guys. Get a pool table down here. Maybe just make a little, theater room, kind of like what the staging company has done for, for the time being. Whatever you guys are thinking. All right, let's head back on up. We fit the basement. We've got most of the first floor. Now we're going to head upstairs. Really cool ironwork here. The ironwork that's been done all around the railing and to support each tread was done by another company, and it's all pretty much custom fabricated to the actual staircase. This is kind of a unique thing that Vertex Home does in most of their homes. So hopefully we'll have a couple more for you to look at here in the future. But let's head on upstairs. Cool thing too, while we're heading up, is the color was matched the best they could. It's 2 different species of wood, but the color of these stairs were matched to the butcher block countertop. All right, so once you come up here, you could obviously got a bunch of light coming right from that piece of lighting. Very modern looking. I actually kind of dig it. I don't know what you guys think, but I actually kind of like it. So we're coming over, we're going right into the master, guys. First thing upstairs. As we walk in, we got solid hardwood floors throughout the master. Nice, large, open room. What's really awesome too, right off the master, we got the balcony. And guys, sorry, I had a long day of work today, so I couldn't get here earlier. Really would like to get that sunset in for you guys, but unfortunately it's cloudy as well. But as we stand out here, we're facing straight west. So there is a tree line, but without the clouds, there'd be potential couple peaks of mountains and seeing the sunset every night, sitting outside, top your master bedroom. Pretty awesome. Let's head on into the master bathroom. So first thing is, look at the floor. Once again, kind of a crazy different concept. I don't know if it's just me standing in here right now, if I feel dizzy or not, but throw me a comment. What do you guys think of this floor? Obviously, the person who bought the home loved it. It might take me a while to get used to this. But hey, once again, we got the floating cabinets, nice quartz countertop, nice big, more of the modern looking tub. And then this was kind of a unique piece too. The designer actually came up with these doors. Instead of it just being solid glass, she really wanted to add a little bit of pizzazz or a little bit of sparkle to this shower. And they're super solid. They're pretty awesome. Got the shower head, rain shower head. Got the wand. It's not a steam shower, but for 1.3 in this neighborhood, this is a pretty awesome shower setup here for the master. Right off the bathroom into the back, it's just kind of like a his and her full walk-in closet. Just mirrored images of themselves, and Ryan was a good help on getting all the shelves done in this house. So thanks to him, everything looks really clean. All this is MDF product, sanded up, bondoed. We use Bondo on all our MDF seams after they're glued. All right, guys, coming out of the master here. Just heading right over is our second floor laundry. The buyers will bring their own washer and dryer in here, but just a really nice laundry room. Got a nice large countertop to work on, fold clothes. Here's just one of the second floor bedrooms, master. And then we got two bedrooms that pretty much mirror each other. If you come on in real fast, it's pretty awesome though. Each bedroom does have their own full bathroom. So lucky kids, lucky family, each get their own room, own bathroom. They can mess it up, do whatever they want in there. Let's head straight across to the other bedroom. This one's got just one extra unique feature on this one. Like I said, somewhat of a mirror image. We got the full walk-in bathroom, same tile, same cabinet, just really wanted to make it look uniform. But over here, guys, coming outside is a balcony off the front. You probably saw it maybe when we walked up, and shoot, guys, in the last 15, 20 minutes, like the sun has been going down. It's getting dark early now, but we got the view off the front. Sign's still hanging up, but we are under contract. So proud of these guys. Can't wait for the next one. All right, guys, well, let's head on back in real fast and make our way out of here. All right, guys, if you stayed with me this long, thank you so much. And if you don't mind, hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't already. Just want to say a special thanks to Brian and Ryan, the two guys that work with me. Without them, I couldn't have gotten this done by myself, that's for sure. Also, special thanks to the builder, Vertex Homes, letting me come in, walk the house with all the staging in it, and congrats to the new homeowner. They got a great place here, 20 minutes right outside of the heart of downtown Denver. Look forward to new videos in the future. Guys, if you want to see any of this stuff possibly done, like the floating shelves, leave a comment, and that could be a video for the future. But all in all, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you again.